What is up, you guys? Today I'm gonna show you guys 6 hairstyles that I do for my faux locks. Yeah, I wanted to do some different looks, that you can use. You can use these on box braids and locks, whatever you got. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video and stay tuned for the looks. So for the first hairstyle, you'll need to part your hair down the middle. This is going to be an easy half up, half down look. I like to take a medium-sized amount of hair on the crown of my head, and I'm going to take a strand from the back of my head and wrap that around to make like a little ponytail. You can use a ponytail holder, but I like the way using my hair strand looks. And yeah, I like to keep out 2 pieces of hair in the front. It just gives it like a really cool, dope vibe. Just give me like early 2000s. And yeah, it's just a very simple look. So for this next one, it's basically like the half up, half down, but we're going to be doing a bun instead. You can leave out the 2 strands, but I'm going to actually just wrap it around the bun. I like the way this looks. I don't know. I think it's something different. And I like doing this hairstyle, especially if you have too much hair and you can't fit in a bun. So yeah, I think this one's really cute. This next hairstyle is so cute to me. You're basically going to take a small hair from each side of your head, and I'm wrapping around a strand to make like a small little ponytail. And then I'm going to do the other side, leaving out those 2 strands like I did in the front. But this hairstyle is like, it gives me like a cute little doll look. I don't know. At first it kind of reminded me of a SZA hairstyle that I've seen her wear. But yeah, I really think this one is cute. So if you didn't like the ponytails, you can put them in buns. I love me a good little space bun, I just think they're so cute. But all you're doing is just wrapping the hair around each other, making sure they're symmetrical, because I don't know, space buns can be hard. Like even with my real hair, it'll be hard for me to make them match. So yeah, and I put the little strands to the side, and just a different look. And then I'm going to add the pieces into my hair so you guys can see how that looks too. I kind of like it without the strands down. But yeah, that is the third look. Is this a third? I don't know. This next look is if you struggle with putting your hair into like a ponytail. I know I struggled for a minute because my hair was just so stiff. So yeah, all you're doing is just taking 2 strands and tying it into a little knot in the back. I think this is really cute if you have work or whatever and you want to get the hair at your face. Okay, so for the last 2 looks, they're going to be buns. The first look is just going to be a basic bun, just wrapping around. Everybody should know how to do this. If you don't, you can look at mine. But you're basically just wrapping the hair around each other. You can use bobby pins to tuck it, but I just really just tuck it. It stays for the most part. So for this last look, I just think it is so elegant. All you're doing is putting your hair up again, but you're leaving out 2 to 3 strands down in front of your face. I just think this is perfect if you have like a classy event that you want to attend and you don't want to wear your hair down. You want to rock like a dope updo. I think this is so cute. But yeah, that is all. Guys, I hope y'all enjoy the hairstyles. Leave your girl a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Let me know if you want to see a part 2, because it was kind of fun, I always usually wear, like when I have locks and braids, I always usually wear it down or in a bun, so I wanted to try to create some different looks. But yeah, if you enjoyed, leave your girl a thumbs up, leave a girl a comment or something. But yeah, let me know if you guys want a part 2, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.